You are now a registered user of Tour Genie's travel management system. Let's get you started by logging in and finishing the most important step, creating your business profile. So let's start. Enter your email ID and password and click on Login. You will see this dashboard. Start off by heading to the top right-hand corner and click on your ID. In the drop-down menu, click on My Account. Fill in all the fields under My Profile. Don't forget to upload a dashing profile picture. Let's move on to the business profile. Fill in all the fields carefully. These details will be visible to your customers in your messages, sent packages, and also on the packages shown on the website. Make sure to upload your company logo. In case you wish to change your password, click here. There's one last step to complete your profile. Head back to the drop-down menu and click on Terms and Conditions. Here you need to provide your company's booking and cancellation policies. You need to save these details only once. Once you hit Save, the terms and conditions will automatically get included in every package you send. You can start creating and sharing packages with your customers through the Tour Genie travel management system, as well as display your packages on the website, all stamped with your company logo.